Every great engineer begins with a question. The curiosity that drives a child to ask why rivers bend or how bridges stand becomes the same force that defines a professional's growth in civil engineering. In this field, curiosity is not a mere personality trait. It is the silent foundation that transforms skill into mastery. It is what turns routine design into purposeful innovation, and it is what allows engineers to see potential where others see limitation. Every breakthrough begins with a question, one that dares to see beyond the obvious. Let's discover how a simple question can turn a good engineer into a remarkable one. Curiosity shapes engineers in ways that technical training alone cannot. It fuels exploration, pushing minds to go beyond instructions and specifications. When an engineer approaches a land development plan with curiosity, each contour line becomes a story waiting to be understood, each surface an opportunity to refine, and each challenge a doorway to discovery. Civil engineering, at its essence, is about understanding the world through observation, imagination, and analysis. Curiosity keeps these three in motion, connecting data to vision and transforming ordinary tasks into creative engineering solutions. The most remarkable designs are born from questions rather than answers. Curiosity asks how grading can be optimized, how drainage can be improved, how infrastructure can adapt to both function and form. This mindset is what allows engineers to innovate responsibly, to seek efficiency without sacrificing safety, and to deliver designs that stand the test of both time and environment. In a discipline where precision is vital, curiosity becomes the force that keeps improvement alive. It encourages engineers to explore new workflows, refine existing methods, and continuously enhance the quality of what is built. Curiosity also nurtures humility. A curious engineer understands that every project, regardless of size, holds lessons worth learning. There is always more to understand about terrain, materials, regulations, or the human needs a structure must serve. This openness invites collaboration. When curiosity guides a team, dialogue becomes richer, solutions become more holistic, and technical drawings evolve into shared visions of progress. Curiosity does not compete, it connects. It turns technical expertise into collective intelligence. The relationship between curiosity and resilience is profound. Challenges in civil engineering are inevitable, from unexpected soil conditions to shifting deadlines. Yet curiosity changes the way these obstacles are perceived. Instead of resistance, there is investigation. Instead of frustration, there is discovery. A curious mind looks for patterns, possibilities, and paths forward. This mindset turns pressure into progress and uncertainty into learning. It is curiosity that sustains the pursuit of excellence even when projects become complex and demands increase. In the modern engineering landscape, curiosity is also the bridge between tradition and technology. It drives professionals to explore advanced tools such as Civil 3D, to question existing workflows, and to refine digital design practices with both logic and creativity. Through curiosity, civil engineering evolves not just in efficiency but in thoughtfulness, ensuring that infrastructure grows hand in hand with sustainability and human values. This philosophy is vividly reflected in AXA Engineers, a global civil engineering outsourcing partner built upon the belief that engineers thrive through continuous learning. Within AXA Engineers, curiosity is cultivated as a professional strength. Every project is approached with precision, empathy, and the drive to explore better solutions. The result is not only technical accuracy, but also a culture where innovation becomes natural and quality becomes consistent. Through a system that values growth, improvement, and shared purpose, AXA Engineers demonstrates how curiosity can be transformed into lasting engineering excellence. Curiosity is the unseen blueprint behind every strong engineer. It strengthens problem-solving, deepens understanding, and elevates the entire profession. In a world that changes faster than ever, curiosity remains the timeless quality that keeps engineering human-driven, not only by skill, but by the constant desire to learn, to question, and to build a better future. Follow AXA Engineers to explore more insights about civil engineering outsourcing and how curiosity continues to shape the next generation of global engineers.